Hi students, welcome to the video classes. In the last class we completed 10 problems in the exercise 5.7, that is differentiability topic. So now let us move on to the problem number 11. If y is equal to e power 6x into cos 3x, then find d square by dx square. That means second order derivative. So here first we have to find dy by dx. So this is the given function. It is in the form of two functions. This is e power 6x is exponential function, that is take it as u, and cos 3x is v. This is first function, this is second function, exponential function and trigonometric function. So first differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So y derivative how much? dy by dx is equal to d by dx of e power 6x into cos 3x. So next dy by dx is equal to, this is exponential function, I am taking u and second function is v, or you can take this is u and second function is v. So now what is uv formula? D by dx of uv formula. D by dx of uv formula is what? uv dash plus vu dash. uv dash plus v into u dash. So first function into e power 6x into d by dx of cos 3x plus cos 3x into d by dx of e power 6x. So here it is equal to e power 6x into derivative of cos 3x. Derivative of cos 3x how much? Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, and cos 3x derivative is minus sin 3x. And what is inner function derivative? 3x derivative how much? 3. Minus 3 sin 3x plus cos 3x into derivative of 6 e power 6x. Derivative of e power x is e power x, and derivative of e power 6x is e power 6x into inner function derivative. 6x derivative is 6. So now here what is the common factor? E power 6x is the common factor. Take common e power 6x. Next one, minus 3 sin 3x, minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 into cos 3x. This is dy by dx. This is dy by dx. But we should find out d square y by dx square. So again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. That means left hand side derivative and also right hand side derivative. In the right hand side it is also in the form of two functions, exponential function and also some of the trigonometric functions. So dy by dx changes to d square y by dx square, because derivative of this function nothing but second order derivative. It is equal to, let us take this is u and the total function take it as v. This is u and next function take it as v. uv, what is the formula? uv dash plus v into u dash. First function into e power 6x into d by dx of minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x. First function into derivative of this function plus second function minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x into derivative of first function, derivative of e power 6x, which is equal to e power 6x into now apply derivative both functions. Here minus 3 is constant, derivative of sin 3x, derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of sin 3x is cos 3x, and x coefficient 3x inner function derivative of kx k, derivative of 3x is 3 into 3 minus 3 into 3 cos 3x plus 6 is constant, derivative of cos 3x is already we completed, derivative of cos 3x how much, minus 3 sin 3x, minus 3 sin 3x, minus 3 sin 3x plus into minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x, 6 cos 3x, 6 cos 3x into derivative of e power 6x is 6 into e power 6x. So here better to do plus as it is and minus right as it is, minus 3 sin 3x plus 6 cos 3x into derivative of 6 e power 6x is 6 into e power 6x. So here e power 6x into minus 3 into 3 minus 9 cos 3x plus into minus 3 6 are 18 sin 3x, 18 sin 3x. Now minus 6 3s are 18 sin 3x, 18 sin 3x, see plus as it is, minus plus as it is, minus 3 into 6 minus 18 sin 3x plus 6 6 are 36 cos 3x into e power 6x, e power 6x. See, this is one term, this is one term, this is another term. See, plus as it is, this 6 will multiply both terms, 6 3s are 18, 6 6 are 36. So now in this is one term and this is another term. In these two terms, what is the common factor? E power 6x is common factor. E power 6x is common factor and minus 9 cos 3x minus 18 sin 3x plus into minus 18 sin 3x plus 36 cos 3x, 36 cos 3x. So now it is equal to e power 6x into minus 18 sin 3x and minus 18 sin 3x. How much? Minus 36 sin 3x minus 9 cos 3x plus 36 cos 3x. This is 27 cos 3x minus 36 sin 3x. So it is equal to e power 6x into these two terms. What is the common factor? 9 is the common factor. 9 take outside, that is 9 3s are 27, 3 into cos 3x minus 9 4s are 36 sin 3x. This is the second order derivative, d square y by dx square, d square y by dx square. This is the problem number 1. Next, coming to the problem number 12. If y is equal to cos inverse x, find d square y by dx square in terms of y alone. Now, given condition, given that y is equal to cos inverse x, this is inverse trigonometric function. Y is equal to cos inverse x, nothing but what? You can write x is equal to cos y. X is equal to cos y. X value, take this side and y becomes cos y, or y is equal to cos inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Y becomes dy by dx is equal to d by dx of cos inverse x, d by dx of cos inverse x. So now dy by dx is equal to derivative of cos inverse x, direct standard formula, inverse trigonometric function. Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square, minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. So now dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus, what is x value? Cos y. That means cos square y, but we are giving x square, x is cos y, x square means cos square y. So now dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus cos square y is sin square y, according to trigonometry identity. So now dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by square root cancel, you will get sin y. So now it is equal to minus 1 by sin y means minus 1 by sin y reciprocal of cosecant, that is cosecant y. 1 by sin y nothing but minus cosecant y. This is only dy by dx. I want d square y by dx square. So again apply differentiate. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. So now dy by dx derivative changes to d square y by dx square is equal to minus of d by dx of cosecant y. D by dx of cosecant y. So now it is equal to minus of derivative of cosecant theta. Derivative of cosecant theta minus cosecant theta into cot theta. Same thing. Derivative with respect to x. Here variable is how much? Y. So it is clearly derivative of cosecant y is minus cosecant y into cot y and inner function, because both are different variables. With respect to x, we are giving y. It is not in the direct formula. We have to apply again differentiation of y, that is dy by dx. Dy by dx. It is equal to minus into minus plus cosecant y into cot y into what is dy by dx term? Dy by dx getting minus cosecant y. So right, minus cosecant y. Dy by dx value substitute here minus cosecant y according to this one. So it is equal to minus cosecant y into cosecant y minus cosecant square y into cot y. So what is the actual problem? Y is equal to cos inverse x. Find d square by dx in terms of y alone. So here there is no x variable. All the solution in the form of variable y only. So this is minus cosecant square y into cot y. This is the solution. Let us move on to the problem number 30. If y is equal to sin inverse x, show that 1 minus x square into y2 minus x into y1 is equal to 0, or 1 minus x square, y2 notation nothing but what? Second order derivative. Instead of y2 you can write like this, d square y by dx square minus x into y1 nothing but first order derivative, that is dy by dx. This is the first order derivative, this is also first order derivative. This is second order derivative. This notation is also second order derivative. Y dash or y double dash. First order derivative y1 or y1 or y dash. These are the notations of first order and second order derivatives. So now this is the given function. Y is equal to sin inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Y changes to dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Dy by dx is equal to d by dx of sin inverse x. Sin inverse x. dy by dx is equal to derivative of sin inverse x formula, direct standard formula, because both are same variables. It is the inverse trigonometric function sin inverse x, that is 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. So dy by dx, how can you write? Dy by dx nothing but what is the notation? Easy to find out the notations. Better to change dy by changes to y1. Dy by dx changes to y1 because both are same notations. It is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square. Now cross multiplication, these two cross multiplication, root of 1 minus x square into y1, root of 1 minus x square into y1 is equal to 1 into 1. This is 1. So next, I want y2, that means d square y by dx square part. Again differentiate, again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Again differentiate with respect to x on both sides. d by dx of root of 1 minus x square into y1 is equal to d by dx of 1. d by dx of 1. So now on the left hand side, this is the product of two functions, derivative of two functions. uv formula, u into v dash plus v into u dash. So first function into root of 1 minus x square into d by dx of y1, d by dx of y1 plus second function into d by dx of first function root of 1 minus x square is equal to derivative of constant value always 0. So now root of 1 minus x square as it is, root of 1 minus x square. So now y1 nothing but what? y1 nothing but first order derivative, dy by dx or y1 first order derivatives. So derivative of the first order derivative becomes second order derivative. So instead of y1 I am writing y2, or just write d square y by dx square also, because this is the second order notation, plus y1 into, this is in the form of root x. What is the actual formula? d by dx of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. 1 divided by 2 root x. Now it is in the form of derivative of root x form, x nothing but 1 minus x square. So y1 into 1 divided by 2 root 1 minus x square into inner function derivative again, that is d by dx of 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So next, 1 root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square into y2 plus y1 into y1 by 2 into root of 1 minus x square into derivative of constant 0 minus derivative of x square is 2x, because it is derivative of x power n, it is equal to 0. So root of 1 minus x square into y2 plus y1 of 0 minus 2x, that is minus 2x by 2 into root of 1 minus x square equal to 0. So now here 2 both cancel, numerator and denominator 2 will be cancelled. So root of 1 minus x square into y2 plus into minus x into y1 by root of 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So now this is our result. Observe your right hand side. LHS RHS equal, but what about LHS for we are giving 1 minus x square, but we are giving root 1 minus x square. Here also root 1 minus x square. What we will do in the next procedure? So each and every term multiplied by root 1 minus x square. So multiply root 1 minus x square on both sides. Multiply root 1 minus x square on both sides. So that means root 1 minus x square, root 1 minus x square, how much? 1 minus x square into y2 minus x y1 into root 1 minus x square divided by root 1 minus x square is equal to 0 into root 1 minus x square. Here also you can write root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square whole square, because I multiply root 1 minus x square, this one and this one, how many times? 2 times. Root 1 minus x square whole square by 2 minus xy1 into root 1 minus x square divided by root 1 minus x square is equal to 0 into root 1 minus x square. Here square root cancel. So 1 minus x square into y2 minus this one cancel, xy1 is equal to 0 into something, that is always 0. Remember, here each term multiplied by root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square 2 times. That is root of 1 minus x square whole square, and remaining part also numerator root 1 minus x square, denominator already given, that is root 1 minus x square is equal to 0 into root 1 minus x square. This is our proof. 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx, or simply you can write 1 minus x square into y2 nothing but second order derivative d square y by dx square minus x into dy by dx is equal to 0. It is also correct. The next class we will do the further problems. Thank you.